Welcome back to Truehost Academy. In today's competitive job market, having a well-crafted resume is key to standing out, but writing one can feel like a challenge, right? Well, an innovative tool can help you do just that, ChatGPT. Today, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a powerful resume that gets noticed by hiring managers. Before we mention ChatGPT's role, let's quickly go over the basics of a strong resume. Your resume is like your personal marketing document. It introduces your skills and experiences to potential employers. There are a few key sections every resume needs. 1. Contact information. Include your name, phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile. 2. Summary or objective. A short, focused statement about your career goals and what you offer. 3. Work experience. List your past jobs, responsibilities, and achievements. Use bullet points and highlight your successes. 4. Education. Mention your degrees and any relevant certifications. 5. Skills. Showcase the technical and soft skills that match the job you're applying for. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you fill out these sections efficiently. Ever get stuck trying to describe your work experience or writing that perfect summary? This is where ChatGPT comes in. With its advanced language skills, ChatGPT can help you generate compelling content for your resume. For example, let's say you're applying for a marketing job and need help writing a professional summary. You can type in a prompt like, "Help me write a professional summary for a marketing position." ChatGPT will provide suggestions based on best practices and industry standards. Whether you're in marketing, IT, or any other field, this tool can quickly help you craft your resume content. Here's an important tip. Tailor your resume for every job you apply to. Employers want to see that your skills align with their needs. ChatGPT can assist by analyzing job descriptions and suggesting relevant keywords and phrases. Just copy the job description into ChatGPT and ask, "How can I tailor my resume to this role?" ChatGPT will help you highlight the right skills and experiences that match the job posting. A well-formatted resume can make all the difference. It needs to be clean and professional. If you're unsure about how to structure your resume, you can ask ChatGPT something like, "What are the best practices for formatting a resume?" By following these suggestions, you can ensure your resume is not only easy to read, but also visually appealing. Finally, don't forget to proofread. A single typo can leave a bad impression. You can use ChatGPT to review your resume for grammatical errors and flow. Just paste your resume and ask for proofreading. This way, you can submit a polished resume that reflects professionalism. In conclusion, creating a standout resume is essential in today's competitive job market, and tools like ChatGPT can make the process easier. We've discussed the key sections every resume needs: contact information, a summary, work experience, education, and skills. ChatGPT can help you efficiently write these sections, tailor your resume to specific jobs, and ensure it's formatted professionally. Additionally, ChatGPT can proofread your resume for errors, helping you submit a polished, error-free document that captures the attention of hiring managers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Truehost Academy for more tips on boosting your career. See you next time, and good luck with your job applications.